Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. Hope you are resonating with the readings. So today I have opened my Orisha cards, or it's called as the African goddess cards. I love working with the Orishas or the African gods and goddesses. In fact, every year, whenever WICCA happens in Chennai, I bring once a proper in-depth hoodoo course, the basic and the advanced course, so that people can benefit from it and people can learn what it is. I thought, why not give you a small gist about what a hoodoo is, though it's just going to be just a one liner or two liners. The way we believe in gods, but actually, if you see, we have the tulsi plant, right, which will remove the negativity from the house, and we have, for example, the holy water, which is the Ganga Jal. The same way in hoodoo, they have their own herbs, they have their own plants, they have their own amulets. Just the way we have our trishul, which we wear for protection, they also have their own amulets. Many people think that hoodoo is for the darker side. It is not a darker side, basically, because I always believe anything can be done, any modality can be worked on the darker side also. So many ways hoodoo is one of the most powerful ways to bless your home, to draw money, or to bring in abundance in your lives. But many people don't understand that, and people who have tried it have seen beautiful changes in their lives. So now let's just start our reading without any changes. Because I'm talking about the hoodoo today, I thought, why not tell you, pyrite is one of the most powerful crystals which is also used in hoodoo. But in hoodoo we use the pyrite dust, and when we use the pyrite dust, which is also the fool's gold, we work for all our prosperity related mojo bags, in which we use the pyrite. So today, maybe what you can do is, you can, if you have a pyrite, then you can take a little bit of pyrite or a pyrite dust, and 5 coins, no, I would suggest 7 coins for the 7 orishas. 7 coins, a little bit of pyrite dust, and you can also keep a small pic of a dog and carry that pouch with you, or keep it in your cash box. It will bring in a lot of abundance. I hope you all like these small tips. If you like it, then what I shall do is, whenever I bring in the African god goddesses cards, I can bring in small tips related to hoodoo also. So I think it was a detailed description today. So I'm just going to pull one or two cards, and let's see what is coming in the cards today. The first card which has come is resistance. I think you're resisting yourself. You're not able to accept the things which is going around you. So what you need to do, you need a lot of grounding today. I feel grounding is a must. If you see here, when I'm seeing these cards, I feel the color should be yellow. I don't know why, for me prominently the color yellow is coming when I'm seeing the cards. So when I'm seeing these cards, I feel you're worrying that you will mess up things, you will spoil things around you when I'm seeing the first card. But I feel, just be grounded and understand one thing: just be the way you are. You are your own magic, and the magic which you have, no one else will have. Maybe today I will also give you all a small statement to say, I am grounded and firm. You can say this 21 times, and I have already said yellow color is a good color for you today. And if you cannot make the pirate dust bag today, it is okay, you can make it on any other day also. Try that bag and see how money starts coming, and you start saving the money. You will feel beautiful changes after you do this bag. Have a beautiful and a blessed day.